Hello everybody, in this particular video I am going to discuss about in which year B.Pharmacy we should start GPAT preparation. So many students are asking this question, which year B.Pharmacy we should start GPAT preparation. So for this I will give you clear cut explanation and I will give my opinion. So based on that you can decide at what year you can start your GPAT preparation. So my suggestion is that if you start GPAT preparation in third year, you don't have much more time. For example, you can see if you start your GPAT preparation third year, maybe a lot of students think to start GPAT preparation by the end of the third year. So if you start by the end of third year, you maybe end up with having 7 or 8 months in your hand, and you get a lot of pressure such a way that you should read a lot of things in less span of time. So that is the thing, if you start GPAT preparation in third year, you may face or you may encounter with a lot of stress that will create problem for you. And another thing, that if you complete your third year or you are starting your GPAT preparation by the third year, means you should need to go for some internships. If you go for any internship, it is not possible to do GPAT preparation well, but a lot of students will do GPAT preparation by the end of third year. But my suggestion is that it is not a good idea to start GPAT preparation by the end of the third year, because if you start with the third year, you will need to go for internships, and if you enter fourth year, right, if you enter with the fourth year, you may be encountered with project works and other activities which are new to you. But you need to do project and other activities. Based upon all these things, your time is not sufficient and you may not able to utilize time properly to read for GPAT exam. So this is the problem if you start GPAT preparation by third year. Some students may ask that, sir, can I start GPAT preparation first year or can I start GPAT preparation second year? So what is my opinion here? So you can see, if you start GPAT preparation by third year, these are the problems you get. And some students are asking that, sir, can I start GPAT preparation by first year itself? Yes, you can start, but the problem is that you may be encountered with some new topics. So some topics which came to you that may be new and you can't able to understand well. And some advantage of starting GPAT preparation by the second year ending, that is very good advantage, because if you start your GPAT preparation second year ending, you are in the early phase of GPAT preparation, so you get more time, and at the same time you get maturity to understand. So if you start your GPAT preparation by the end of the third year, you get the maturity to understand lot of concepts and lot of topics, because you already read out those things for your same exams and you already your teachers explain them. So you get some maturity to read them in a very better way if you prepare from the third year. But the problem is that if you start preparation with the third year, you don't have that much time. And if you start with the first year, what happens, you are going to learn a lot of new things first time that make you to confuse and you can't able to grab the knowledge. So that is the reason you should not start too early or should not start too late. So the best time to start your GPAT preparation is the second year. This is my opinion, but based upon your opinion you can change. And I seen some students who started their GPAT preparation by the first year itself and they get very good rank, and I seen some students who started GPAT preparation by third year ending and they also get a good rank. So it is based upon the student also. That means the student, how much you are able to read, how much you are able to spend time. So not only spending the time, how much quality of time you are spending on the preparation, that makes you to get very good rank in GPAT, but not in what time you start. So ideal time I can suggest you by the start of second year or by the end of the second year. Definitely you can start GPAT preparation. You get plenty amount of time to read all the things. If you start first year itself, you may face some little problems, but you can start with the first year itself also. You can start and you can read the topics what completed for the same exam. That will make you surely to get more knowledge and that will help you to get good rank in GPAT. But if you start too late, that will make you crushing of your brain with the stress. I hope you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.